Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME 14T and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the security and privacy. Then let's scroll and go to device unlock and find fingerprint and face unlock. Then tap on fingerprint and give the permissions. Then let's simply confirm everything with your screen lock. If you do not have the screen lock, then your device will will ask you to add the one. So it is necessary. Let's tap on add now, and here we've got the sensor, so let me put my finger on it, and now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition. It's quite sensitive, to be honest. Alright, we've got it, so let's tap on done. And here we've got the fingerprint section. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it, add another fingerprint. Here we've got the options for what we want to use the fingerprint for, quick launch and show fingerprint icon. So now let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. So here we've got the sensor, let me put my finger on it, and as you can see the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.